Before calibrating via a DS series digital free chlorine controller, the sensor must have completed running in. Immerse the sensor into flow cell and energize for operation. Calibration of free chlorine is aided by the colorimetric DPD analyzer. Take a 10 ml water sample from the nearest sampling point to the sensor with a sampling cup. Take an optical test bottle and pour 10 ml of water sample into it. Press the power button to turn on. Take a piece of DPD-1 reagent and stir it in the water sample for 20 seconds. The darker the color of the water sample, the higher the free chlorine value. Put it into the detection port of DPD analyzer. Press the FCL button for 1 second to start the test. The free chlorine value is 0.5 ppm. Start calibration via controller. Long press the menu button. Select Probe Set. Select Probe Calibration. Select Slope Calibration. Enter 0.5 ppm, the value tested by the DPD analyzer. Calibration completed. Return to the main interface, check the value. When the value is close to 0.5 ppm, the calibration is successful. During the calibration process, in addition to maintaining a stable flow rate, make sure there are no air bubbles in the flow cell. Otherwise, it will have a greater impact on the measured values.